In this video, we'll go through working with CBCT data in Vision. First, upload the CBCT when creating a patient, or add it to an existing case. You can upload either a compressed archive or individual DICOM files. Note, CBCT processing may incur additional fees depending on your plan. Check with your administrator for details. Once the CBCT is uploaded to the server, open the case in the Vision app. We'll start directly at the tooth orientation step, skipping pre-processing, since CBCT data isn't used there. At tooth orientation, Vision will segment the actual roots if CBCT was uploaded. If any tooth has incomplete CBCT data, for example, due to dental appliances, you can switch to the parametric root and adjust it manually, controlling the tooth axis. You can also switch the entire jaw to parametric roots. If no CBCT is uploaded, all roots are parametric by default. Now, let's check what CBCT data is available in the setup. You'll see the real roots, as before, and new bone data. In the web viewer, users have access to the same data, real roots and bone. In the treatment plan document for the doctor, accessible through the web viewer or directly from the portal, CBCT cases include a schematic of the final result with real roots. This is how CBCT visualization works. Thank you for watching.